Hey guys, I wanted to do a very quick unboxing and review of a new product from Birdex, an Illinois company called Transonic PRO. This is an electronic pest chaser. Pest meaning different rodents, bats, squirrels, insects like cockroaches, spiders, ants, ticks. Practically it works, the way it works it is a very loud emitter to begin with. How loud? 96 decibels. 96 decibels is about what you hear when you're close to a plane taking off. So it is extremely loud at half meter. It is the frequency range. The frequency range is selectable. You can select this. You can select the frequency and pattern based on what you want to chase away. So there are different frequencies. It's not only one type of frequencies work for rodents, and other type of frequency work for insects. So this allows customizable frequency selection, and it's between 3 and 40 kilohertz. Now you can hear anything below I think was it 20,000 hertz. So anything above that you can't really hear, even though it is loud. It won't be loud to you. So it is an ultrasound. This is an ultrasound emitter, meaning ultrasound is usually it bounces off hard surfaces, like if you have tiles or painted wall, it will bounce off. It won't bounce off any type of soft materials. Even curtains would stop ultrasound effectively. Soft furniture, rugs, all of this would stop ultrasound. That's why this product is applicable to wide open areas, meaning garages, barns, different commercial areas like food establishments, offices, warehouses. Warehouses and commercial facilities are the primary application for this product, and I can tell why it is very effective. At home you can buy those small ultrasonic devices that you plug in your wall, but they're effective at about 13 feet up to 20 feet at maximum if there are no obstacles. For a larger area you need more powerful and wider range of emitting, and that's where this comes forward. How much more powerful? Well, it's not that much, because it's not that much needed, because this is the power input for the unit is 200 milliamps at 12 volts. 200 milliamps is about half of what you normally your charger uses, although it's at 5 volts. This is at 12 volts. It works off 110 standard AC adapter. So power consumption less than 5 watts. Tow is 3 pounds. Dimensions are 6 inches by 3 by 3. Coverage up to 3,500 square feet. Made in China, because it is emitter that can interfere with organic life. It requires EPA certification, so there is one EPA certification. Alright, so let's take a look at the product. First of all, it comes with user manual, which is very useful in this diagram, where you have to specify the pattern, because let's say rodents, squirrels' hearing can adapt. Babies baby's hearing can adapt. The same was with us with smells. When we're perceiving certain type of smell, our sense of smell adapts. The same way their hearing adapts to a specific pattern. That's why to something that there is no pattern, to a constant sound, their hearing adapts. But if there is a pattern to the sound emitter, built in the sound emitter, their hearing cannot adapt, and that would be an annoying sound for them. It's especially effective around bats, and it's really annoying to them. So the user manual specifies that ultrasonic sounds above 20,000 Hz are nearly silent to humans and most animals. Apparently this one is safe. It is safe around birds and most pets, most animals. But if you have rodents, tarantulas, you have to find another solution. A little Q&A sheet from BirdX Inc., Chicago, Illinois. That's their website, email address. Comes with this charger. As we saw, the charger is 12 volts at 200 DC at 200 microamps. I mean milliamps, not microamps, milliamps. Alright, so that's the charger. Just a standard two-prong charger. Let me plug that in. And then this is the actual device. Okay. It is very small. It is not as small as the plug-in types that you plug in different outlets. There are the two speakers that produce this output, a strong metal box, off and on switch, and switches for the different outputs: loud, medium, and quiet sound volume. The diagram that shows different type of animals that it can be that it chases sound. One thing that I immediately don't like is there is no dust curtain around those switches, so you have a minimal amount of exposure here to dust. As you see, they have added those two baffles here, but on this end I don't see it. There was one squished over there. Switches are nice and positive. Very distinct. So off and on switch, power, rubber legs, so they take in any vibrations, minuscule vibrations. The two emitters are well protected with metal mesh. So let's see how this works. So as you see, there is a little bit of audible sound from this, and this is B medium. That's for spiders. Maybe and that's medium. Oh my god, loud! It's really loud. It is definitely audible. It's quiet, which is supposed to be for small animals, rodents, bats. We can barely hear it. It is barely noticeable. Yep. Let's try different patterns. Again, barely hear it. You can barely hear it. Fleas. This is for flea sticks. Crawling insects. Oh, you can hear it. You can hear it. You can make a distinction really in your ear once you put it forward to your in your direction. Your ears are kind of, you notice, it is very peculiar feeling. You notice the sound. It's like you're next to something extremely loud, like you're in a bar or something like that next to the speakers, but at the same time you understand that you barely hear the sound. It is very, very strange and weird feeling. So it is definitely a good choice for just placing it around on a large area. There are not too many, if any, mounting holes or mounting brackets, but if it could be mounted, like let's say on a wall facing down, it would have an extremely good penetration and would cover a wide area. It's definitely a new product. This is the loudest one I have ever seen in my life, and I have seen quite a few. I've seen different, I haven't seen customizable patterns like this. Customizable patterns and patterns that are fluctuating, that are going up and down. And I haven't seen this where you can regulate the sound, where you can regulate the sound. So that's it. Very good product, very good price. New product at Home Depot. Bardex. Thanks for watching.